Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. We are going to draw a cute Barbie today. I start with her eyes. Eyebrow. Her smile. I draw her face. I draw her hair. I love drawing and painting so much. I draw her neck and her shoulder. I draw her necklace. I'm drawing her dress. I draw her legs. I draw her shoes. I draw her arms. Let's complete her hair. Light pink, yellow, light pink, pink,
her garden flowers bloom. She sings a song and chases glue. With friends she loves to play. In her kingdom every day.
Thank you for watching.